गुड आफ्टरनून। Good afternoon, all the respected, my teacher, senior, and my dear friends. I am Sangam Kumar Singh from BHM, a student. Rest will be presentation explained by Mr. Suryakant.
Good afternoon to you all, and good afternoon to the principal ma'am and all the faculty members and seniors and my dear classmates. This is Suryakant of BCA course standing before you all to represent our Bihar, what the people think about Bihar and what the really Bihar means. Welcome to Bihar. First, history of Bihar. The history of Bihar is one of the most varied in India. Bihar consists of 3 regions. First is Magad, Bhojpur, and the third is Mithila. Mithila is believed to be the center of the Indian power in the later Vedic period from 1100 to 500 BC. Magad, another region of Bihar, was center of India power, learning and culture for about 1,000 years. The present region of Bihar overlaps with the several pre-Mughal kingdoms and the republic, including Magda, Anga, and the Vajaiki language of Mithila.
Maintain silence.
Overview of Bihar. I start with the glory of the Bihar. First, the Patna, the capital city of Bihar. The historical name of Patna is Patliputra. Patliputra, according to 2018 census, the Patna population is 2.35 million, and it making the 19th largest city of India. Patna is approximately 37 kilometer in length and 16 to 80 kilometer wide. The Patna is also the birthplace of 10th Sikh Guru Gobind Singh. And in Patna, the longest free Wi-Fi range found in Patna. The second is Nalanda. About Nalanda. Nalanda is the first world residential university found in Nalanda. It was established during the Gupta's emperor. Nalanda is situated next to Rajgir. The second is Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya is the religious site and place of pilgrimage associated with the Mahabodhi temple complex in district of Gaya. It is the famous. It is famous for Buddhists, Mahavira, and the Hindus. The history of Bodh Gaya is documented by many inscriptions and pilgrimage accounts. The fourth one is Rajgir. Rajgir was the capital of Haryanka dynasty. Haryanka dynasty kings of Bimbisars and Agastya. Rajgir was the first capital of ancient kingdom of Magda, a state that would eventually evolve the Mauryan Empire. The epic of Mahabharata calls the Griviraj and recounts the story of its kings and the battle with the Pandavas' brothers and their allies Krishna. Fifth one is Sasaram. The Sasaram is the ancient historical city and the municipal corporation of the Rohtas district, the Bihar state in eastern India. With the history goes to the thousands of years ago. During the prehistoric age, the Buddha walked through this way and lived for some days and then traveled to Gaya to be enlightened with the variety and wisdom under the Mahabodhi trees. The city is also known as Gateway of Bihar. To visit East Bihar, including Gaya, Rajgir and Nalanda. Sasaram and the Kaimur Mountains range is a nature-blessed land, now a prime hot tourist destination for nature lovers. Enriched by numerous spectaculars, waterfalls, lakes, rivers and pictures location at its described by Anil Akbarai, it has over 200 waterfalls emerge during rainy season and few among them are extremely exotic gorgeous. Some famous personalities of Bihar, those who have done great things from Bihar and for Bihar. Sir, the first is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the great mathematician and archaeologist. He founded zero, which is very meaningful in calculation. He lived during the Gupta's period, produced the works such as Aryabhattai and the Arya Siddhanta. The second is Samrat Ashoka. Ashoka was properly known as the Ashoka the Great. He was the third emperor of the Mauryan Empire of Indian subcontinent during 268 to 332 BCE. His empire covered a large part of Indian subcontinent stretching from present-day Afghanistan and west to present-day Bangladesh, with the capital at Patliputra. The third one is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was the first emperor of the Mauryan Empire in ancient India, who expanded a geographically extensive kingdom based in Magda and founded the Mauryan dynasty. His reign from 320 BCE to 298 BCE. Chandragupta Maurya was the first important figure of the Indian history, laying the first foundation of the first state to unite most of India. The fourth one is Bir Kaur Singh. Bir Kaur was born on 1777. He was the leader. He was the king of Jagdishpur. He belongs from the Rajput. He belongs from Rajput family. He also participated in the revolt of 1857 from Bihar. The fifth one is Mahakavi Kalidas. Kalidas was a classical Sanskrit author who is often considered ancient Indian greatest poet and playwright. His play and poetry are primarily based on the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Puranas. His serving works consist of 3 plays, 2 epics, poem, and 2 shorter poems. He was also a writer of Meghdootam, Abhigyan Sakuntalam. The lifestyles of Bihar.
संगम क्या वहीं खड़ा रहेगा?
मैम हम इंग्लिश पीपीटी में
आगे बढ़ो ना रे। Geographical condition of Bihar. The capital is Patna. Area is 94,163 square kilometer. The population rank is third in area, rank 12th. Population is itna. Date of creation is 1st April 1936. Official language Hindi and Urdu. Number of districts is 38 and literacy is 69.83%. Some famous facts about Bihar. Maximum IS and IPS comes from Bihar. World longest free Wi-Fi zone opens in Patna, Bihar. We can't imagine Indian Railway without Biharis. Considered to be the excellent first mathematics. Languages of Bihar. Agenkai, Bejaki, Bhojpuri, Magahi, Maithili. The dressing styles of Bihar. It includes dhoti and kurta. The traditional dress of Bihar people's male wear wearing dhoti, kurta, pajama, while the female of Biharis wear saris. Nevertheless, western shirts and trousers are becoming popular among the urban population. Muslims, Christians, and Sikhs. Biharis use attars, perfume. Yes, ma'am. Attar, perfume. Jewelry such as rings for men and bangles for women are popular. The famous food of Bihar is litti and chokha. People loves to eat litti chokha. Some famous foods of Bihar: ठेकुआ, पूड़ी, दाल भात चोखा, पिड़ुकिया, कचौड़ी, पुआ, खिचड़ी.
देखने में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है,
बिल्कुल.
ये लाना चाहिए था तुमको.
The some festivals of Bihar celebrated is Chhat Puja, Durga Puja, Makar Sankranti, and one is Navratri, Mahashivratri.
Okay, you have
Thank
a
you.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
Question is, you talked about Nalanda.
Yes.